Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Higgsfield AI to turn text or image into stunning motions video with effects that you have probably never seen before. Higgsfield is an AI video generator that lets you create images from text prompts or even generate realistic cinematic clips using static images or prompts. And here how to use it. Just go to Higgsfield AI and just sign up, and then to unlock full access you can choose a plan by clicking on settings, this one, and just choose the package that you want. But if you want to try it for free, you will get some free credits when you first sign up. Now let's try creating an image with this Higgsfield AI. Just go to create and then choose image, and then just describe or type your prompt. I want to type like this. Maybe like this. And then just adjust your ratio that you want. I want to choose this ratio. And if you want to enhance your prompt, just click on this icon. And then you can also select the model that you want. I want to select this one. And if you want to add some character, just add the character on this icon and then just click generate. And see, Higgsfield will automatically generate the image for you like this. And if you want to download it, just tap on this icon. And if you want to create or turn that image into a short video, just go to the videos, this one. Or you can also through this menu, just click create and then choose video. And then you can change the effects by clicks change, and then just choose your video effects. After that, just upload your image, then type your prompt, and last just click on generate. And maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.